Physically, our buildings and our dolphins and our people all did really well. And then what we're seeing now after the fact is just people aren't really informed on what's going on down here completely. There's parts of down here that are ready to run. We need the tourism, and then there's parts that aren't ready for it. And mainly what I suggest is calling ahead, making sure you have a place to stay, and then once you have that locked in, you're pretty good because there's plenty of stuff to do around here still, especially in the Upper Keys and then Key West, and then even in between there are places open that need the business.
Was that 5? Oh, we're doing that. 6, 5, 4, 2.
We're starting to see about 50% tourist business compared to last year at this time. We were open for business 3 days after the storm. Well, I should say we were prepared to accept guests 3 days after the storm, dolphin-wise and facility-wise, but the feds hadn't opened up the roads yet, so we weren't quite ready for tourists per se, but we could have had they been here. The thing that the Keys could use the most right now is for people to understand that the majority of the Keys is back in full swing. We're fully operational. The water's pretty, the weather's beautiful, and we wish you were here.
Well, with the Keys need to be up and running is very important to Key West because we're at the end of the chain of islands. A lot of people like to enjoy the trip down. It's a scenic cruise in your car coming down. It is very important that they recover, get it cleaned up. But we want everybody to know that Key West is open for business. As you come through that area that's damaged, once you get to the end, Key West is beautiful.
Well, actually, my sister and brother-in-law live here, so we come down to visit them. And we've been down to Fantasy Fest. This is our 3rd time. So it's just fun and warm. I cannot emphasize the warm part enough. And it's just a great time down here. They had evacuated, so we knew they were safe. And we just really hope that everybody and everything down here was safe and okay, and everybody's been just great on getting the tourists here and having a great time, and we've even had a little fun with it. My sister and I got matching hurricane bracelets to commemorate the event, to say, hey, Irma, you are not going to take away our fun and our livelihood and the people of the Keys' livelihood. So, you know, we're better than that.
We're from the Sanibel, Fort Myers area, and we were recovering too, and we know that we're all in it together. And in order for all of us to recover, we have to make sure that we're all in it, come down and support the local economy. So we wouldn't miss this for the world.